Alright friends, back again for another grocery haul. I did the Walmart delivery. I had $135 total, I think, for everything you're going to see here, plus a tip for my driver. We are tipping a little bit more than usual these days since gas prices are so high, but still definitely a savings of time and money for me, so I'm happy to do it. Let me show you everything I picked up from Walmart and prices. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Starting over on the right side of my counter here, I have some dairy products. Now, I ordered a 1.5 gallons of 2% milk, my typical stuff. Apparently they were out. So they substituted the 1/2 gallon that I ordered for this organic 2% milk, but the gallon they just told me was unavailable. So I don't know if there's like, they're just short on milk this week or what's going on. My husband's going out in a little bit, so I'm going to see if he can't find me an additional gallon of milk to get us through the week. But they did substitute this organic milk. This milk is typically something like almost $4 for a 1/2 gallon, but I obviously paid the same price as just a typical 1/2 gallon of milk. You always pay the lower price when Walmart substitutes things. So yeah, I got 2% organic milk here. Got some parchment paper. We were all out of that. We like to use that just for packaging foods and cooking foods and that sort of thing. So, you know, parchment paper. Got some sour cream. Austin and I are going to be doing a whole big meal prep this week. We're going to be making some turkey burrito bowls and some breakfast scrambles and that sort of thing. So the sour cream is with that in mind. I got the cottage cheese for some low-fat snacks for the week. Trying to lose a few pounds. Well, let's be real, a lot of pounds, but just a few pounds at a time, so hopefully that will help with that. Grabbed some unsalted butter. The price of that has skyrocketed, but we had to have it, so there you go. Grabbed some tricolored peppers. These were crazy expensive as well. Also got the mini sweet peppers. We love to snack on these guys. 10 pounds of potatoes. You can always count on potatoes to be relatively affordable, so we're going to be doing lots of cooking with potatoes. Also some white onions, which are always good to have on hand. Thought I would try baking some bread this week. Pull out my bread machine. It's been a long time since I used it, but with inflation, it seems like a good time to get back into the habit of making things from scratch, bread being one of those things. So I did grab some bread machine yeast. I also grabbed a great big huge 10-pound bag of flour, which was super affordable, so definitely recommend making things from scratch if you can, if you have the time. Got some smoked ham. This is to go in some egg scrambles and also for sandwiches for the week. Grabbed the tomato for topping our burrito bowls. The light Greek yogurt for either a quick breakfast option or a snack. The grapes for that as well. We really like to snack on fresh fruit and vegetables, so you're going to see, well, you've already seen some vegetables. You're going to see some more fruit in this haul as well. Olive oil, we needed that, and we were out, so I ordered that. I'm not usually the type to buy these pasta and rice sides by Knorr, but they were only $1. Thought it might be good to have on hand for something quick and easy, a quick and easy side dish. So I did get the cheddar broccoli rice and the cheddar broccoli pasta for us to try. Also grabbed a watermelon. The watermelon that they delivered to us last week was perfectly sweet and ripe and delicious. This one's a little bit darker than I would have chosen for myself, but I think it'll be just fine nonetheless. Back there for snacks. Sorry about the shadows, you guys. The time of day I'm filming is not ideal, but I have to order my groceries later in the day. That way I've got all my guys home to help me putting them away and everything. I got some pretzel sticks for snacks, and then I also got some crackers. These are just the Great Value like Ritz crackers. Of course, you guys are seeing prices pop up on screen. Those are much more affordable than the name brand. Great big thing of Fiesta blend cheese for egg scrambles, for our burrito bowls. We use that cheese in pretty much everything. I was all out of decaf coffee. These are the K-Cups that I like to use for decaf. Every once in a while I get a hankering for a cup of coffee in the evening, and I won't sleep if I have caffeine too late. So decaf coffee. Grabbed the riced cauliflower to have in my burrito bowls. Austin's trying to bulk up, so he'll use the rice, but I'm trying to cut back on calories, so I'll use the cauliflower rice. I already talked to you about the flour. I grabbed this ground turkey. I've never tried this Festive brand ground turkey. It comes frozen. The one that I ordered was actually already taco seasoned, but they substituted this one, so I'll have to add my own taco seasoning. Like I said, I've never tried this brand before, but it was only like $2 a roll, so for that price, I thought it would be worth trying. It's probably not going to be the best quality stuff ever, but I couldn't say no to the price. I grabbed 2 of these chickens. This was like a 2-pack, was $11.96 for the 2 chickens. My husband's going to roast these up, or smoke them rather, in the smoker. I grabbed 60 eggs. I've never bought this many eggs all at once, but with bulking up, Austin intends to eat quite a few eggs. Eggs are a great low-calorie option as well. We're also going to be doing some baking, so I thought it was cheapest and easiest to just grab the 60 count, so that is what we did. And then lastly, we got the drinking water for us to have on hand for drinks for the week. So that's absolutely everything. Seems like your money is buying less and less, but we did get a ton of eggs, lots of protein-filled things here. I think we're really going to be able to make this last the week, so grateful for that. That's going to do it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps out my channel a ton. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new budgeting and lifestyle content here on my channel every single week. I'd love to have you come back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.